Hi and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we have a fairly easy job as well to get done. As you can see behind me, we have a Honda CRV right here. And I don't know if you can see it, but you see this light up in the back window here? It's burnt out. This one over here is lit. I don't know if you can see that. You can see the one side is lit and the other side is lit. So we know that there's nothing wrong with the stoplight switch itself, because you can see that everything is lit the way it's supposed to be. This one, as well as this one. All right, so we're going to take that back light out. All you're going to need to get the job done is you're going to need a screwdriver and, of course, a replacement light bulb. So enough talking. Let's get in there. I'm going to show you how it goes. Okay, I just want to point something out to you first before you even get started on this job. Make sure that you have the correct light bulb, because as you can see, this bulb here, if you look very closely, that's got one single filament in it. Some of the bulbs, they actually have two filaments in it, so make sure you put the correct light bulb in. This one is going to be a single filament bulb. If you put a double filament bulb in, it's not going to work properly. So, all right, let me show you how to do it. We're going to open up the back door, and then we're going to take the cover off and we'll get started. So let's do that. Let's bring you over here so you can watch what I'm doing. You got to open up your back door like this. Let's get this over here so you can see. And this is where your light bulb is in here. We are going to put this down for a second. I don't even try not to touch the light bulb, because the oils from your fingers, they really don't cause much of a problem with the stoplights and stuff, just on the headlights, but I always play it safe. All right, so first thing we do is take our screwdriver up underneath here. There's a little tab. Just push that tab, and it pops right off. Just like that. All right? Aha. Now, I can see that somebody had this apart already, and you can see they glued this piece back together. So somebody broke this at a previous time, and they glued this back on. So that's going to be a little bit of an issue, but we'll see how it goes. All right, we just take this here. We just take this and turn it, just like that. And we take the bulb out. Now, you'll notice that that bulb turned on when I moved it. You see right here? You see the bulb itself? You see the filament on there? Now this bulb actually has power coming through it. I'm going to tap it. Now sometimes when you tap it, it turns back on. But it did for a split second, but it's not anymore. So let me show you what the problem is. You can see that filament inside there? You see how it's broken? That's the problem. All right, so now we're going to take our replacement light bulb, and we're going to bring it in over here, plug it in like this, and now you can see our stoplight works. We're going to put the bulb back in here, put it in, and then you turn it clockwise to lock it in, and that's it. It's locked back in place. All right, now if this piece wasn't broken, but it is, we would take our piece like this, put it back over the top, push it in, and that's it. You would be finished. And then your brake light would be working properly. So we're going to close this a little bit, and as you can see, now all three of the lights work. This one's working, that's working, and so is the other one. All right, that's it. It's fairly easy. The only thing I'm going to tell you is make sure you use the correct light bulb. This particular case, single filament. The bulbs on this side over here, on these brake lights, they're actually double filament light bulbs. And if you have a double filament light bulb, that's because the directional and the brake light are in the same one, or it could be just the parking lights as well. All right, so that's it. We're all done. We're going to put that cover back on. We're probably going to go to the dealer and get a new cover, because I don't like just putting something on there with glue. But that's it. This job is done. Out the door and on to the next. All right, as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.